How to sketch a quadratic by plotting coordinates in 205 seconds. Let's go. When it comes to sketching a quadratic, guys, there are a few different methods we can use, but one of them is going to be to plot a table of values and then to join all of the coordinates with a smooth curve. Let's have a look at how to do it for this one. We can see that we've been given the quadratic y equals x squared plus 7x plus 12 and a table of values which takes us from x equals minus 5 all the way up to x equals 0. What we're going to do, guys, is substitute each of those values of x into our quadratic, find the corresponding values of y, plot them, and then join them. Let's have a look. So first of all, substituting in x equals minus 5, what are we going to get? We're going to have that y is equal to x squared, so minus 5 squared, plus 7 times by x, so minus 5, plus 12. What's that going to give us? We could use a calculator, or we could take our time and work it out by hand. Minus 5 squared, that's going to be positive 25, plus 7 times by minus 5. 7 by minus 5 is going to be minus 35. 25 minus 35 is going to be minus 10, plus 12, guys, that is going to give us positive 2. Like I say, you could use a calculator, or, guys, work it out by hand. What about substituting in x equals minus 4? What are we going to have? We're going to have that y is equal to x squared, so minus 4 squared, plus 7 times by minus 4, plus 12, what's that going to be? Minus 4 squared is 16, plus 7 times by minus 4, that's going to be minus 28. So we're going to have positive 16 minus 28, that's going to give us minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12, that is going to give us 0, guys, so we can put that in. Subbing in minus 3, that is going to give us, what's it going to be? Y is going to be equal to minus 3 squared plus 7 times by minus 3, plus 12 minus 3 squared, that's going to be positive 9, plus 7 times by minus 3, 7 by minus 3, that is going to be minus 21, 9 minus 21, that's going to be minus 12, minus 12 plus 12, that's going to be 0, so again, we're going to have that when x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 0. Now, substituting in minus 2, let me just write that in, yep, substituting in minus 2, what's it going to be? Y is going to be equal to minus 2 squared plus 7 times by minus 2, plus 12, what's it going to be? Minus 2 squared is 4, plus 7 times by minus 2, that's going to yield minus 10. Minus 10 plus 12, that is going to give us positive 2, guys. I know I'm going quickly. Are you keeping up? You can pause it, check that you understand what's going on. What about substituting in minus 1? That is going to give us y is equal to minus 1 squared. That's going to be 1 plus 7 times by minus 1. That's going to be minus 7. 1 minus 7, that's going to be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 12, that, guys, is going to give us positive 6, so we can write that in. Finally, substituting in 0, x equals 0, that is going to give us 12. So now we have a bunch of coordinates that we can plot. We know that when x is equal to minus 5, y is equal to 2, so we can plot that on. X equals minus 5 along the corridor up the stairs, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 0, let's plot that one on. When x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 0, putting that one on. When x is equal to minus 2, when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. Hey, guys, I think I'm speaking way too quickly in this one. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 6, and we can put that on as our final point that's going to fit on. Finally, guys, we can connect all of these with a smooth curve. What are we going to have? Let's see how good of a job I do. Coming down and going up like that. A bit of a cheat code because I'm on the iPad. Guys, that is what our quadratic is going to look like. Joining it with that smooth curve, getting that U shape. Hopefully everything made sense there. Feel free to watch again if it was a little bit fast.